There's a really nifty utility built into Windows called Steps Recorder. If I start recording over here, which I'm going to do in a second, it will start recording all of my actions. It will take screenshots of all the things that I do, and it will produce a file, just regular web file that I can take just as it is, or I can take portions of it and give it to people that I want to see the actions that they need to take to do certain things. Before I start recording it, I'm going to actually move it to the bottom because it is going to take a screenshot of the whole thing. So I would like it to be out of the way a bit. Click on Start Record. Now I'll do something simple in Excel. I'm going to take some cells here and show how to do conditional formatting. So conditional formatting, highlight cells greater than 50. Here's what it did, right? And that's all I wanted to show. So I'll click on Stop Record. Here it is, produced the file very quickly. And it shows me, here's your step 1, step 2, step 3. I can see it like that. I can click on it. It will show me a much more expanded view of this, of exactly what's happening. I can go on top also and review the recorded steps as a slideshow. All right, step 1, step 2, step 3. Here we go. So as I was saying before, you can take the specific screenshots and make them available like that. You can take the steps, or there's even additional details at the bottom, which is very detailed actually, exactly which Excel and exactly what browser and everything else that it was recorded in. You can take all that information, make it available as it is, or you can take portions of it and make it available to users to help them understand exactly what they can do. Steps Recorder, you can just go to a Windows key, type in Steps Recorder, and you'll see it. It's right here. That's the one that I was using right there. So hope this helps.